So my name is Liam O'Rourke, and I work at a company called Larch Wood Enterprises Incorporated, and I am employed as the general manager. Larch Wood Enterprises primarily makes cutting boards, countertops, and we do a little bit of flooring as well. We started out in the 1990s as a flooring company, struggled as a flooring company. Someone had the idea within the team that we should start trying out cutting boards. Here we are 25 years later. Larch Wood started very small and very organically. Like farmers markets, art shows, things like that, the Cape Breton Center for Craft and Design. Like it was small art galleries that really was the foundation of Larch Wood. So I imagine that they've been a part of the art trail from the very get-go. Arts and creativity are kind of baked into Cape Breton. I mean, like one of the things that jumps out to me is like the music scene in and around the Margarees. I mean, there's square dances and ceilidhs like I think they say there's one every night of the week. In the summer months. Outside of that, I mean, there's a whole slew of incredible artists that live and work around Cape Breton Island. I mean, Larch Wood's just one of the many. I mean, we're probably on the larger side in terms of artisan workshops. I mean, at this point, we have 24 staff that work year-round creating cutting boards. So, I mean, it's probably a bit of a stretch for us to be calling ourselves artists at this point. We're probably really, really talented manufacturers. If you want to check out our product, we have a fantastic website, www.larchwoodcanada.com, and you can follow us on social media as well.